Welcome everyone to another episode of Heseltine. Today we're at Welham Lakes, which is in Malton, North Yorkshire, down here for BadBoyBaits social, so really looking forward to this. I've been here for around about an hour or so now. Rods have been out for around about half an hour, 40 minutes, something like that. It was raining when I got here. On a double peg with Paul. So we're fishing 2 rods each. I've got one rod on the salmon and plum straight bottom bait, and the other rod on the Caribbean. It is really silty, and the water level's really down at the minute, so I'm just playing it by ear. I ain't put too much bait in. I've crushed a few boilies with a few maggots in it, put a few whole ones in there, and just spun some out basically. Seen a lot of fish. There's a lot of fish boshing about and spooking when you're casting and stuff. I mean, Paul was running the bait boat out, and like I say, I've seen the fish just spooking away, so I think we're going to get a few anyway. So a couple of the other lads turned up last night. They had a few fish in the night. Phil Dunn, he's had 3 fish. Paul, he just caught a fish when I got here. Not a monster, but a beautiful condition, common. Bar of gold, around about 9 or 10 pounds, something like that. So yeah, I'm going to keep it short because I want to crack on and do some more fishing. Morning everyone. Right, so it's been a really quiet night. Coming up to about 8 o'clock now. Me and Paul's been up since about 6 o'clock this morning. Nothing, no signs of any fishing at night. No signs of feeding, not even a bleep all night. But they're starting to push back round now. We have been told that this is more of a day peg. So I'm hoping for a few today. I've not really put too much bait in. Moved both of them onto white pop-ups now. Craze white pop-ups they are. We'll just see how that goes. At the minute, my left hand rod, I've give it a real good whack out to where some showing fish are. Just fishing a single. Just thought I'd leave it there for half an hour and see what happens. But yeah, I'm still fishing the same spots. I've still been trickling the bait in on the same spots. I will show you around the lake when the sun gets up a bit so you can see properly. So yeah, just thought I'd give you a quick update. Let you know Phil's had another one in the night, and a tench. Gavin, he's had one. I'm not sure how big it is. But I also lost one as well. So yeah, it's not fishing too good, but I'm very hopeful, and I'll update you soon. Right, so managed to catch the first fish. It's took a long time, but switch rigs, switched to a wafter, white wafter, and it's gone. Not a monster by any means. It's just gone £12 free. Nice golden common. So I can get him up for you. Still quite lively. It's a good scrap though. Just trying to calm it down. There he is. A bar of gold. Get in, I'm happy to get one. And off the mark. Nice one. Right, so I thought I'd just show you around the peg. This here's Paul's side of the swim. He's just popped to the shop, so his rods aren't in at the minute. He's got one down that channel. There's a lily bed there, you can just make it out. He's got one down that channel, and he's got one out to that island over there. I've got one just past the corner of this island here, because the fish have been showing really far out, and my left hand rod is roughly round about where that swan is. Again, it's quite uniform all round. It's very silty. It's an average depth of around about 2 foot of water, because the water level is really down at the minute, so it's making it quite tricky, especially with that swan that keeps drifting round. It's tormenting us all, that is. So yeah, it's looking promising. We all reeled in and had a bit of a social, a bit of dinner, some hot dogs and that, and just got back round to the peg and casting my rods out. There's still signs of fish out there, so I'm quite hopeful. I don't know about tonight though. The fish seem to push out of this bay during the night, so let's make the most of this afternoon, I think. So yeah, I'll update you soon. Right, so it's been about 10 minutes since my last vlog. Literally it screamed off. Absolute toner, screamed off. It's near enough an identical fish though. £12.2 this one. Again on a white wafter. Lovely bar of gold. Let's turn him round. Just give the fish a minute to calm down. I'll lift him up. There we go. Another bar of gold. Spot on. Beautiful fish in here, really are. Beautiful colours. Not monsters, but love it. That better. Cheers. So, vlog time again. Same rod, same spot. Again on a white wafter, a bit smaller this time. Still a common. Little bar of gold again. £10.2 this one. Still quite lively, coming fairly quick. Got a bit of weed over its head, so let's calm it down before I pick it up. Steady. There she is. Pristine little common. All three of these fish have been taken on the size 6 wide gape from RC Tackle Developments. Sucker for white in here. Right, so we're in again. A lot better fish this time. Well chuffed with this one. Didn't quite make 20, 1911. Slipped in and all, got myself a nice wet foot. It's got a massive mouth on this though. It looks like it's been caught a few times. Still really lively. It's not behaving itself. There we go. Look at the size of the mouth on that. Beauty. Look at his mouth. God, his mouth's massive, isn't it? There we go. Biggest fish so far as well. Ricky had an 18-pounder this morning, so well chuffed with this fish. Let's get him back. Right, so as you can probably tell, I'm not on the bank anymore. I'm at home. I thought I'd finish this blog off at home because I'm going to do a competition, and not only that, it was blowing an absolute hoolie. I did do a blog, but you couldn't hear anything because of the wind. So just to recap on the session, went really well. Out of the 9 of us that fished the social, we caught 35 fish in total, all being commons as well, so not many mirrors in there, that's for sure. Yeah, so competition time. All you've got to do really is guess the weight of the fish. I'll put the picture up in a minute, and the prize, what you'll be trying to win, is the BadBoyBaits mug. I bought the social off the gaffer. It's worth 10 quid. All you've got to do is guess the weight of this fish. Right, so you've just seen the picture of the mirror there that I had about 2 or 3 months ago. So all you've got to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel to enter. Leave the comments under the video. Make sure you put your name as well as the weight. If people do guess the same weight more than once. I'll put the names into a hat and draw a winner out of the hat. It's going to run for about 3 weeks. I'll announce the winner when I do my next vlog. My next vlog is going to be at Wellesley Lake. It's another BadBoyBaits social there. A lot bigger this time. There's about 26 of us going. Yeah. After every 10 videos I do, I'm going to do a few giveaways, a few competitions. Probably do some bait next time, a few glugs and a few assorted pop-ups and things like that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully see you on the bank sometime. Happy fishing.